Morning class 5. So today we're gonna begin with our remaining topics, okay, which was left over in the previous class. So the first topic we have is uses of minerals. We use various minerals in different forms in our daily life. Some of them are given below. So these are some of the uses of minerals which we all have come across, okay, which we all know that. So first thing is minerals are used as building materials. So certain minerals such as gypsum and calcite are used to make building materials such as mortar, cement and concrete. So minerals can be used as building materials. Okay, you have uh, you might have seen the materials which is made from gypsum and calcite called cement and concrete. Okay, after this we have mineral gives us useful metals. So several minerals of group or minerals are rich in metals. For example, magnetite is rich in iron and bauxite is rich in aluminium. Such minerals are called ores. These ores are used for extracting metals, which are further used for making utensils, machine parts, electric wires, coaches of train and airplane. So basically uh, these metals, okay, these metals are useful in making cer- uh, uh, making uh, metals such as utensils. We You know that, right? So then we have machine parts, electric wires, aluminum, aluminiums. Uh, these aluminiums are used to make airplanes and all because it is lightweighted material. Okay, or we can call it lightweight metals. So precious metals such as gold, silver, and platinum are used for making ornaments and jewelries. So you might have seen golds, silver, platinum like this. So which is used in making ornaments and jewelries. After that, we have minerals are used as gemstones. Several attractive minerals such as diamond, ruby, emerald, sapphire, and topaz are used as gemstone. These minerals are found in the form of crystal. When polished, they appear beautiful and shiny, hence they are used in making jewelries. So that we also know, right? There are two pictures given, okay? The unpolished gemstone and then polished gemstone. So this is how you extract or make use of materials, or sorry, minerals in a gemstones. Then we have minerals serve as fertilizer. Some minerals such as sulfite and nitrates are added to to fertilizer to soils. Fertilizer help in fertilizer fertilizer help plant to grow better. Rock rock salt, chalk, and talcum powder are obtained from minerals too. So minerals are also used in fertilizers by farmers, okay, so that the plant can grow better. And then we have minerals serve as a part of our diet. Our body needs certain minerals such as calcium, sodium, and iron in very small quantities for its healthy functioning. So we might have heard about the minerals in diet. Okay, calcium, sodium, iron. These are some of the minerals which is served as a part of our diet. Then we have coal and petroleum. and coal and petroleum. So the coal is usually found in the layers. Okay, it is formed from dead plant matter but buried under great pressure, and over millions of years it is known as fossil fuel. Okay, so basically the coal is extracted from underneath the uh, ground surface. Okay, which is buried for a very long time. Okay, it is because it is formed with large quantity of dead organism. Okay, which was buried underneath sedimentary rock. So uses of coal will be cooking, heating, or producing electricity and running steam engines. So nowadays we usually don't use this type of uh, fossil fuels in our day-to-day life, but still these coals are being uh, dig the mining companies are still working in this fossil fuel. After this we have petroleum, which is also been extracted from the ground. So how it is formed? It is formed when the large quantity of dead organisms are buried underneath sedimentary rock and subjected to intense heat and pressure. So it is a dead organism which has been buried for a very long time, for at least thousands of years. Okay, and it is yellow to black liquid found beneath the earth's surface, and it is commonly refined into various types of fuel. So first we when the mining company start digging up these petroleum. Okay, they found they found crude oil, from which they develop uh, fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, gasoline, and LPG. Okay, moving on. So now we have questions from Let's Remember. So write whether the following are metallic or non-metallic minerals. We have to specify whether it is metallic or non-metallic in nature. So the first one we have is magnetite, which is metallic. Then we have calcite, which is non-metallic. Then we have bauxite, which is metallic. Then mica, which is non-metallic. Then we have quartz, which is also non-metallic. Moving on. Question B. Give one example for each of the following. So the question one we have is mineral used as fertilizer. You can write sulfate or nitrates. You can write either each. Then we have question number 2, minerals used as building material. You can write either gypsum or calcite. Then we have question 3, minerals used as gemstone. So you can write either ruby or emerald. Moving on. So let's begin with the exercises from page number 65. Some objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay, the first question says all the rocks are made up of dash. We have two options, minerals and ores. So the correct option is minerals. Then with the second question, the surface of the earth is called dash, whether it is core or crust. So it is called crust. Then we have question 3, dash is very hard and is formed by slow cooling of lava. We have two options, granite and limestone. So granite is the right answer. Then we have question 4, dash rocks are always formed in layers. So it is a sedimentary rocks are always formed in layers. Then question 5, dash rocks are formed due to physical and chemical changes in existing rock. So that will be your metamorphic rock. Moving on, let's begin with the next question. Write T for true and F for false statement. Question 1, pumice is the only rock that can float. So it is a true statement. Question 2, shale is often used to make kitchen counter and bathroom tiles. So it is a false statement. Then we have question 3, gypsum and mica are metallic minerals. So it is also a false statement. Then we have question 4, bauxite is an ore that is rich in aluminium. So it is a true statement. Then we have coal and petroleum are forms of sedimentary rock, which is also a true statement. Moving on. So next question we have is choose the correct option. Question 1, which of these is not a layer of the earth? So we have core, gneiss, crust and mantle. So which is not a layer of earth? So gneiss is not a layer of earth, right? Option B is the correct option, gneiss. Then we have question 2, which of these is an igneous rock that is smooth and glassy? So we have 4 options here, out of which obsidian is the correct answer, correct option. Then we have next question, which of these lead to the formation of metamorphic rock? So physical changes, chemical changes, effect of heat and pressure on rock, and D, all of this. So option D is the correct answer for question number 3. Then we have which of these minerals are used to make building materials? Okay, magnetite and bauxite, limestone and quartzite, gypsum and calcite, and marble and shale. So option C, gypsum and calcite, is the correct option. Then we have question 5, which of these materials can be used to make magnet? So option A, nickel, is the correct option. Moving on. So the next question we have is which of these is commonly used for flooring? The correct option is marble, option B. Then which of these can be used to make magnet? So correct option is iron and nickel. Then we have question number 8, which of these is not a gemstone? So obviously it is a gold, which is not a gemstone. Moving on. So next question we have is match the column. In column A we have gneiss, mica, magnetite, glaucomite and obsidian. But in column B we have igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock and metallic mineral and non-metallic minerals. So the first one matches with the option C in column B, which is gneiss and metamorphic rock. Then we have mica, okay, which matches with the non-metallic minerals in column B. Then we have magnetite, which matches with the metallic mineral, and then we have conglomerate, which matches with the sedimentary rock, and last one, obsidian, is matches with the igneous rock from column B. Moving on. So now we have very short answer type questions. We have to give 2 examples for the following. So the first question is minerals used as a building material. I have written here gypsum and calcite. Then question 2, ores. I have written here iron and bauxite. And then question 3, precious metal. I have written here gold and silver. Then I have gemstone, I've written here ruby and emerald. And then question number 5, fossil fuels, that will be your coal and petroleum. Moving on. So now we have give one word for the following. So the first question is molten rock found inside the earth, that will be your magma. And then question number 2, molten magma that flows out onto the surface of the earth is lava. And then question number 3, rocks that form due to the physical and chemical changes in older rocks, that will be your metamorphic rock. Okay. And then substance that make up rocks is a mineral. And the last one is substance that attract iron is a magnet. So up to here we're gonna finish our today's class. Okay, so we're gonna do our remaining answer and question and answer session in the next session. So that's all for now. Thank you.